Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter percentage, exercise 10th B. So, 10th B exercise, question number 1. The first question is Rupesh secures 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. Rupesh secures 495 marks no? Out of 750. So how you will write marks secured by Rupesh 495, total marks 750, and you know very well to find the percentage what we will do, marks secured upon total marks into 100. This is the formula, right? Total marks you have to put at denominator, secured marks will be at numerator into 100, right? Numerator divided by denominator into 100. This is the formula. So for the denominator you will take marks secured, for denominator total marks into 100. When you will cancel them you will get 66%. Okay, and 66% is the mark secured by Rupesh. Question number 3. Excise duty on a certain item has been reduced to 760 from 950. Find the reduction percentage in the excise duty on that item. So from the question, original excise duty was 950. Reduced excise duty was 760. Students, excise duty is a tax. Okay. And total amount reduced will be original minus reduced. That will be 190. 950 minus 760 will be 190. So you have to find out the percentage of reduction. To find the percentage of reduction, at the place of numerator, what you will take? Reduced amount. And for the place of denominator, what you will take? Original amount. And for percentage, we used to put multiply 100. Right? So, 190 divided by original was 950, no? Divided by 950 into 100. When you will solve this and cancel out, you will get 20%. Okay, this will be the answer. So question number 5, very simple. 70% of the student in a school are boys and number of girls is 504. Find the number of boys in the school. Okay, total number of students you have to take either x or 100. So we are taking 100. Okay, it will be easy. Total number of students are 100. As per the question, 70% are boys. So 70 will be boys. Girls will be 30 only. Okay. Total number of students when the number of girls is 30 is equals to 100. And the number of girls are 504. It is given to you. So total number of students when number of girls is 504. Then what you will do by applying unitary method? 30, 100 upon 30, 100 upon 30 into 540, 504, right? Like this you have to do 504. So you will get, when you will solve this, no, 0 will be cancelled with 0. At the table of 3 you will cancel this and the answer will be 1680. Okay, so total number of boys will be 1680 minus 504, that is 1176. Clear? Question number 7. 36% of the maximum marks is required to pass a test. A student get 123 marks and declared fail by 39 marks. Listen students, if student get 123 marks and is failed by 39 marks, so total passing marks will be 123 plus 39. Clear? So passing marks will be 162. And here the percentage is given to you. 36% is required of total marks. Total marks are x. 36% into x is equals to 162. When you will solve this, 36 by 100 into x is equals to 162. Just solve it. When you will find the value of x, 36 by 100 will become 100 by 36, and value of x is 450. So maximum marks is 450. So question number 9 is, in an examination, 72% of the total examinees passed. If number of failures is 392, find the total number of examinees. In this question, you have to assume that total candidates are 100. If total candidates are 100, 72% are passed. So that means 72 number of candidates are passed. Failures will be 28. Okay. So if 28 of them failed, 28 of them means total. Out of 100, 28 are failed. And here it is given 392 are failed. Then 390 of them, 92 of them will be failed. 100 by 28 into 392 by using unitary method. So total number of examinees will be 1400. Clear? So in these questions, you know very well unitary method must be used. So before doing any type of task, you have to do unitary method, right? Then you will be able to do percentage. Next question. Gunpowder contains 75% of nitre, 10% of sulfur, and rest of its charcoal. Amount of charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. Okay. First one is kg. It is right. First of all, convert it into gram. 8 kg when it will convert into gram. No, it will be multiplied by 1000. 8000 gram it will be. Okay. Nitre in gunpowder is 75% of 8000. So 75%. To remove the percentage, you have to put divided by 100. It will be 75 upon 100 into 8000. Right? Like this. Like this. This will be the equation. You can see. I'm writing over here. And you will get 6 kg. Yeah. Or sulfur in gunpowder will be 10%. So 10% means 10 upon 100 into 8000. Charcoal will be 8000 minus this 6 kg and 0.8 kg you have to minus. Then you will subtract this by adding them. You will get 1200 gram, that is 1.2 kg is charcoal. Next is Sonal went school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, find the number of days on which the school was open. Let the number of days on which school was open be x. Okay. And total of number of days when she went to the school is 219. Attendance is given to you 75%. This 75% attendance is of total number of days. Right. So 75% of total number of days are x is equals to 219. So 75. To remove the percentage you have to put 100. 75 by 100 into x is equals to 219. So x will be 219. This 75 by 100 will become 100 upon 75. And x will be 292 days. Getting? So this will be the answer. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a nice